Utilizing dashboards is a great way to create personalized user journeys that ensure your users have access to everything they need to support their learning. As people may play several roles in their organization, you're able to create several dashboards to facilitate their requirements. Just as a user is not limited to the number of roles they can have in the system, nor are they limited to the number of dashboards they can have, users may have as many dashboards as they need to reflect the work they'll be doing on the system. Let's start by looking at how to create a dashboard on the system. To create a dashboard, click on Site Administration, Appearance, and then Dashboards. If you have previously made any dashboards, they'll show here. I've already set 2 up, so these are displayed here. Today I'd like to create a new learner dashboard. I'll click Create Dashboard, and then give the dashboard a title. This is the title that will show to your users, so choose something that's easy to understand. You're able to decide if the dashboard can be edited by the users. If you select Locked, then users will not be able to add new blocks or move blocks around. I'd like my users to be able to add new blocks, so I won't click Locked. The dashboard can be set so that it shows for no one, everyone, or a select audience. I'm going to set this dashboard to show for the audience containing the warehouse staff. I'll select Assign New Audiences, and then select Warehouse Staff. Once I've added the audience, the users in that audience will be able to view the dashboard. Now that we've created a dashboard and added an audience, we're ready to edit the dashboard. To edit the dashboard, click on the dashboard's name. Your dashboard will look quite empty and will show your dashboard block, which allows you to switch between different dashboards and the navigation block. Let's start editing the dashboard by adding blocks. When you click Add a Block, you'll see the range of options that are available to add to the system. You could add courses or choose to display the learner's badges. There are many different options to choose from so that you're able to add exactly what your users need to see. I'd like to add a video to my dashboard, so I'll add an HTML block. Once I've added the block, I'm able to edit it by selecting the cog in the top right corner of the block. I'll select Configure, and now I'll edit the block by giving it a title. I'd like to add a video to my dashboard. You can do that by either uploading a video from your computer or network, or you can add the embed code from a video sharing site such as YouTube. Of course, you're not limited to adding videos, but you can also add many useful things to the blocks, such as links to help documentation or other useful resources for your learners. I can also define where the block shows on the page. Pages have 3 regions, left, right, and center. I'd like this block to appear in the center, so I'll set the default region to main. The weight section defines how high or low the block appears on the dashboard. If you select -10, this will put the block as the first block that will appear. If you put the block to 10, then it will make the block appear lower on the page. I'd like the block to appear first, so I'll select -10. I'll ensure that the visibility setting is set to yes, and I'll click Save Changes. So that's how you start to edit your dashboard. If you have many dashboards, then you decide the order that users see them in by clicking on the arrows. The dashboard at the top of the list will be viewed first. The users can use their dashboard menu block to click between dashboards. If you'd like to make your dashboard the first thing that your users see once they log into the site, then that's a possibility. To set the dashboard as the landing page, go to Site Administration, Appearance, and Navigation. To send the users to your dashboard, you can choose Totra Dashboard. The learners will then be automatically sent to the dashboard that you've put at the top of the list. So that's how you set up and edit dashboards. Why not start personalizing your users' journeys today?